Mode of 65, 70, 65, 75, 80. Rationalization. 65 appears twice. Mr. Reyes recorded the quiz scores of his students, 95, 90, 85, 80, and 75. What is the average score? Rationalization. Add all scores, 425, and divide by 5. So, 95 plus 90 plus 85 plus 80 plus 75 equals 425. Then, 425 divided by 5 equals 85. Therefore, the answer equals 85. A class received the following scores in a math test: 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. What is the median score? Rationalization. The middle number when arranged is 30. In a group of students, their test scores were 22, 22, 23, 24, 25. What is the mode? Rationalization. 22 appears twice, the rest only once. The heights, in cm, of 5 plants are 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. What is the average height? Rationalization. Add 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, which the sum is 220, then divide it to 5, where 220 divided by 5 equals 44. Answer equals 44. The smallest angle of a triangle is 2/3 the size of the middle angle, and the middle angle is 3/7 of the largest angle. Find all three angle measures. Rationalization. Let largest equals x, middle equals 3/7 x, smallest equals 2/3, 3/7, x equals 6/21, x equals 2/7 x. Then, sum equals x plus 3/7 x plus 2/7 x equals 12/7 x equals 180 degrees. Therefore, x equals 105 degrees, middle equals 45 degrees, smallest equals 30 degrees. What do you call a triangle with equal sides? Rationalization. All sides and angles are equal in an equilateral triangle. Rationalization. Albert Girard is known for introducing the abbreviations used in trigonometry: sin, tan, sec. Similarly, Charles Richter is renowned for developing the Richter scale in the 1930s to measure the magnitude of earthquakes. This scale is logarithmic, meaning it uses common logarithms to quantify the intensity of seismic waves and allow for the comparison of earthquake sizes. The sum of the angles in a triangle is always rationalization. A triangle's internal angles always sum up to 180 degrees. A triangle has two angles measuring 40 degrees and 65 degrees. What is the measure of the third angle? Rationalization. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Subtract the two given angles. 180 degrees minus 40 degrees plus 65 degrees equals 75 degrees. So, the third angle measures 75 degrees.